Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the 60,000 founder player. So please go to live events, go to the founders, tap the founders. This is the founders page. As you can see, founders assemble. So there are some founders reward here. And now it's already 60 million player now exceed. So you can unlock this after reaching 5 million founders, but there are special case in here, 16 million player. So scroll and this one. Special thanks for all founders. You can unlock this player. The rating is quite high. It's about 118. Unlock after reaching 16 million founders. Let's unlock who's the player I've got. Oh, this is this possible rewards. You can get Moises Caicedo, Alison Becker, and Frankie de Jong, and many more. I hope I want to get this guy, De Jong maybe. Let's try my luck. Tap the free, tap to open. So who's I've got? German player, central attacking midfielder Kai Havertz, I think. Yes, my guess is right. I've got this player. So give it a try. Try your luck. Unlock the player. The 16 million founder reward is for you right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.